fuck are you, dirtbags? Galactic Criminal here. And I think unboxing videos are dumb. That being said, I'm gonna do one anyway. So a couple weeks ago I did a reaction to a German death metal band by the name of CYPECORE, their song The Alliance, from their newest album of the same name. The band saw my reaction and liked it so much they're like, "Hey man, we want to send you a t-shirt." I was like, "That's awesome! Send it to me size fat." So then the mailman shows up today, says, needs me to sign for a package. Holy fuck! So let's see what kind of goodies we have in store. Ooh, what is this? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. It's their goddamn vinyl. No shit. Look at that. Now I need to buy a record player. Fuck. It's like a veritable gold mine in here. Check it out. They fucking sent me the new album and their last album. That's the coolest shit ever. Holy fuck. You crazy fuckers went overboard. I love it. Okay, looks like we got the t-shirt here. Let's see what she's all about. Oh yeah. It's the cover art from their last album. That's fucking awesome. Holy shit. I will wear it with pride. And holy sweet ever-loving fuck, they sent me a hoodie too. Holy shit. Oh man, that's awesome. It's like a fucking circuit board. Man, that's so fucking rad. Look at that. Oh, I love it. That's awesome. You guys are fucking nuts. I can't believe that shit. A fucking hoodie, a t-shirt, the vinyl, and 2 albums. Oh man. I'm gonna be listening to the fuck out of that shit. I'll tell you that goddamn much. Looks like I got myself a new hoodie to wear in my videos. I'll say a big fat fucking shout out to CYPECORE for the awesome metal care package. And if you haven't checked out CYPECORE yet, they are a fantastic as fuck death metal band from Germany with a cool fucking dystopian cyberpunk gimmick vibe to them. You will not regret it. Do it right away! I'm excited as fuck now to get these albums into my phone, a very welcome addition to the playlist. So go ahead, check out the band. You won't regret it. And as always, have yourself a fantastic evening.